Hi guys, I hope that you're having a fabulous day. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with a Louis Vuitton handbag unboxing, so I hope that you enjoy it. If you do, make sure and give it a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get started, shall we? This is going to be a deconstructed unboxing because the moment that this bag arrived, I was way too excited to wait, and I just had to go at it. I had to go at it. So my apologies that it is not a true unboxing, but this is the box that it came in. And my first thought was, is this supposed to be this flat? Because I was worried. I was like, oh my God, what if they smash the bag down? You know, because I've had experiences with that in the past. But anyways, it did come with the ribbon and this guy right here. And here is my receipt. All right, so there's that. Any guesses as to what I picked up? And before I show you guys the bag, I just have to say a huge, ridiculously huge thank you to my girl Lee, because she told me about this bag. I had no idea that it was even in the process of being released. I had nothing, all right? Absolutely zero information on it. So she sent me a message on Instagram and I was like, oh my God, who, what, when, where, why, you know, I need all the details. And again, a huge, huge thank you to her for letting me know about it. So I was able to get in contact with my sales associate and I was able to pre-order it. So super, super excited. Okay. Anyways, so here it is in the dust bag. Okay. I picked up the Louis Vuitton, I don't think this is going to surprise anybody. The Louis Vuitton Slouchy PM in the demi-azur. Oh yeah, baby. I think that this bag is so unbelievably gorgeous. How many of you guys got it right? Like I said, I don't think that this bag was going to surprise anybody, but I think it is absolutely beautiful. Now, you guys know I'm a huge, huge fan of the Slouchy MM that I picked up in the monogram canvas last year. That bag has been in heavy rotation ever since I added it to my collection, and I had been contemplating going for it in the PM size because I love it so much. So again, when I heard that they were going to be releasing this in the demi-azur print, I was like, oh my God, it's a sign. It's a sign. I have to go for it in the PM size. And I couldn't be happier. I could not be happier, especially because it's in my favorite print as well. And we've talked about this before. I mean, every new bag that Louis Vuitton comes out with, it's always in the monogram canvas, and I get it. The monogram canvas is their most popular canvas, but it's so nice. It's so nice that these other prints are getting their moments in the sun, because I feel like demi-azur is so incredibly underused when it comes to the line in general. I still think that Damier Ebene has more bags available than this beautiful print. But either way, I am so, so happy that I was able to pick this bag up. Okay, so let me give you guys a really quick handbag tour because it does have one detail that I am just totally smitten about. So here we go. On the front side, it is a very simple design as well, which I really appreciate. So on the front side, you don't have any zippers or any pockets or anything like that. There is the side view. There is the back view. Again, you don't have any zippers or slip pockets. There is another side view. Now this side view, you do have a luggage tag, and this luggage tag is removable, and it has this little guy right here because you do have a lock that I'll show you guys in just a second. And then on the back side of this luggage tag, it says Louis Vuitton Paris. So there's that. All right, and you have one very thick shoulder strap. And then at the top of that shoulder strap, it says Louis Vuitton Paris. You also have dual zippers, and I love these zippers. I love how shiny they are. I say Louis Vuitton Paris, okay, and you open it up like so, a very smooth zip. Oh yeah, baby. But my favorite detail on this bag has to be the gorgeous rose ballerine interior. Look at that. So you have this beautiful rose ballerine microfiber interior. So there's that. Let me move this off to the side so you can see it a little bit better. But in here, like I said, I haven't used it, so I still have the tag attached to it. But there is the tag, and I also have this guy, the textile card, and then here is the lock. So remember how I was saying that that luggage tag, you can add the lock to it because it comes with this guy. So this is a keyless lock. I love that it's a little bit more oversized, and you have the LV on the front side, and you also have the Louis Vuitton Paris. So you just open it up like so, and then you attach it. I like this. I mean, I like the locks with the keys, but I must admit, I'm a big, big fan of the keyless locks because as you guys can see, it doesn't have you know, anything to put a key in here. But these guys aren't flimsy. They don't feel like lightweight at all. They have some really good weight to it, which I appreciate, but I love these. And I've been able to use the one on my monogram one with other bags as well. But, okay, so as far as the rest of the interior, you have one open compartment and you have one zippered pocket right here. Hold on, it's a little difficult. My God, I fail even at these guys. So there is the zipper, and mine says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. There we go. So there's the zipper, and let me open it up so you guys can see. It is very generous, which I really appreciate, because sometimes you do get those bags that have the interior zipper, even though I don't really use it. But the zipper is so small. But look at this. It's very generous in length as well as the depth of it. So it's not itty bitty. You can definitely get away with fitting your phone in there, no problem. So I love that. But this demi-azur paired with the rose ballerine, I think is absolutely beautiful. I have always wanted a demi-azur piece with rose ballerine, because back in the day they had the Neverfulls with the rose ballerine, and then they stopped producing it for a while. I don't think they have it at the moment. I could be wrong. Please don't quote me on it. But the rose ballerine pink for me is perfection, because it's not too baby pink. Like, it doesn't look like it's just a beautiful soft pink without it being too bright or being too coral or too orange or anything like that. I think it is a match made in heaven when it comes to demi-azur. So the fact that they included the rose ballerine interior, I was like, oh my God, home run, absolute home run for me anyways. But the one thing I noticed is that the PM didn't come with a little, you know, the little thing that the one came with to hold up the handle. I'm assuming it's because this handle drop or this handle is a lot shorter than the size. But let me know if you guys did pick up the PM slouchy. Did you guys get that thing to hold up the handle when you go to store it? I would love to know, because I was like, oh, that's a little weird. But anyway, so there are a few more details, but oh, what do we think? It is absolutely beautiful. Let me add the lock on here so we can have the full look on this bag. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I love it. I love it. It's beautiful. Super, super simple. And then you have this gaudy lock on the side, but you can take it off. And I love that. You can take off the luggage tag, you can take off the lock and only use the luggage tag, or only use the lock, or take them off completely and add a different charm on there, or take them off altogether and have it completely empty. I mean, it's awesome. It's absolutely amazing. But I definitely see myself using this opened up just because of that easy access. And I like that you have that pink kind of peeking through, you know, when you're moving about. So love it. Absolutely love, love, love this bag. I will be including a quick mod shot so you guys can see what it looks like on my body frame. And for reference, I am 5'5". It does have a pretty generous strap drop as well. I don't feel like it's hitting right underneath my armpit either. And the more you have in here, the more of that slouch you will get, which I think is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, so let me give you guys a side-by-side comparison with the There we go. PM, This thing is giant compared to this bag. Okay, there we go. And you can see the strap drop difference as well. I'll have to do like a dedicated comparison video between the two as well, because the comes with a zippered pocket as well as 2 slip pockets, whereas this one only has the interior zip pocket. But there we go. Once again, big difference. I love them both. And like I said, I'm still, like, there's part of me that still wants the monogram and the PM, and I still want the the demi-azur and the Like, that is how obsessed, okay, obsessed I am with this style or this silhouette, because it is unbelievably comfortable. Like, I have zero regrets when it comes to the slouchy, be it the PM or the This to me is giving so many of my bags a run for their money, because it just checks off all the marks, you know? And the fact that the monogram has that beautiful red and the demi-azur has that beautiful pink is like, it's perfect, because those are the 2 colors that I end up gravitating towards the most when it comes to adding color to my collection. So I am so happy about that. But I cannot wait to start using this bag, and like I said, I know that this is going to be in heavy rotation, so be prepared because I'm going to be spamming you guys on Instagram because I know I'm not going to be able to get enough of it. But let me show you what this bag can fit, because it can easily fit all of my daily essentials, no problem, which is anywhere from 6 to 7 small leather goods and my phone. And it's really easy to see everything at a glance as well, which I appreciate. It's easy to get stuff out. It's not like, you know, the opening is too narrow, because it is quite generous. Let me know if you guys want me to do an in-depth comparison between the two, because I know that I keep referring to the MM, and this is an unboxing on this guy, and I really don't want to take away from that. So let me know. But I am in love with the slouchy PM in the Damier Azur. I, for one, I cannot wait, and I know I say this all the time, but I cannot wait until this starts to patina and you have that honey golden color, because you have honey golden color, you have Damier Azur, you have gold hardware, and you have rose ballerine interior. I mean, come on. That is like a perfect bag. In my eyes, that is a perfect bag. And it's a shoulder bag. It's a shoulder bag that's very simple. And oh yeah, I can sit here and talk about this bag until the cows come home. I'm not going to do that. I've given you guys an earful enough. I feel like the love is just written all across my face. Like, I feel like there is no denying how excited I am about this bag, right? But I am so happy that I was able to add it to my collection. And I'm even happier that Louis Vuitton is once again giving these underused prints their moments in the sun, because they deserve it, all right? They absolutely deserve it. I mean, not everything has to be monogram. I love monogram, don't get me wrong, but it's nice when you have variety to pick from. Not everything has to be the monogram. I don't know. But anyways, that does it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope I was able to give you a little bit more info, especially if you're looking to add this back to your collection. And let me know, did any of you guys pick up the slouchy in either the MM or the PM in the beautiful Damier Azur? Let me know in the comment section down below. But I love you guys to the moon and back. If you enjoyed this video, make sure and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And as always, make it a fabulous day or not, the choice is yours. Have a great day.